Hi, and welcome back to the 12 Days of Making. We are very happy and excited here at the Longmont Yarn Shop to show you some items for your whole family. So we're going to start off with the smaller kids. This is the Potholder Maker. This comes in at $29.95. This is a 10-inch metal potholder loom. And so it is metal, so it is good for the rough and tumble members of your family. It's not plastic. You put the loops over this, and you do this as a warp and a weft. You put all the loops across in one direction, and then go ahead and do the weft in the other direction. And to do that weft, you just go ahead and use the enclosed hook to do the over, under, and go ahead and pull a loop through. So these are fabulous. I don't know about your family, but our family has kept these with our kids for decades. So they are really a wonderful, long-lasting gift. And the kids can feel proud, whether they're making them for your immediate family, for grandparents, aunts and uncles, the neighbors for whom they help shovel snow. It's all great stuff for the kids to make. So part of that family crafting. The next one we're going to show is rug hooking for beginners. This one comes from Harrisville Designs. It's $32.99, and it includes the pattern with the fabric with the pattern on it, and that's called a cartoon. It includes the rug hook, the tool itself. There's a little tiny picture here, as well as all the yarn. So great thing to start off with to teach kids how to do rug hooking. And then because we love, so let me do the next rug hooking. This rug hooking kit is a sheep kit. That one was the rainbow kit. This one is the sheep kit. And this one is $32.99, and again, it contains the fabric with the pattern or the cartoon already on it, the rug hooking tool, and all the yarn that you need. Because we love knitting, we of course are going to show you some kits for learning how to knit. So this is Join the Knitters of Tomorrow. This is for kids ages 8+. This comes in a number of different colors. We're showing the sort of the seafoam green and the dusty rose pink here. You can see that it makes either the hat or the scarf. And this includes the yarn, bamboo needles, so they're not those metal, really slick needles that can be kind of frustrating for little kids and taller kids too. A how-to pattern book, the sewing needle, and some video tutorials are also available there. And then the last kit that I'm going to show is the Discover Knitting Scarf Kit. This includes the 100% wool yarn, the wooden needles, and the complete instructions. This kit is $24.99. So from midnight to midnight, all of these kits are 10% off, and the code will be in the comments underneath. And so look for those codes and look for these products as beginning projects and also family craft projects. And then our Santa special is going to be the Ella Rae Elegant Tweed. This is a bulky weight yarn. It's $22.50. This particular color is called Moonstone. It's 25% alpaca, 22% wool, 18% polyester, 18% acrylic, 11% silk, 6% nylon. Boy, that sounds like the 12 Days of Christmas right there, doesn't it? It makes up very quickly, very beautifully, and as a matter of fact, I made this store sample as just a small scarf. The pattern is an Ella Rae pattern. It's really, really simple, and it's really nice and warm. The pattern called for one ball. I needed a second ball to finish it, and then I went ahead and made the hat as well. So out of 2 balls, you can easily get a scarf and a hat for a nice, quick gift as one of Santa's helpers. This yarn is going to be 40% off. It comes in a number of different colors. It'll be 40% off, again, midnight to midnight, and the code will be in the comments below. So thanks for joining us on our 12 Days of Making, and we look forward to seeing you again. Bye.